Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to select and move multiple text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open our Publisher document. In this video I will show select and move multiple text box. Now you can see firstly select from first text box. Now keyboard press from shift. Now click from second text box. Now press shift, click from third text box. Now you can see then we show the select from multiple text box. Now move from text box in multiple, then you can see that it, then move multiple text box in publisher. Now you can see select and move publisher document multiple text box in publisher document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.